everyone, welcome back to my channel Sham's Origami.
हुकुम टाइगर का हुकुम.
So first, I want to wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. So on account of Diwali, today we are going to see how to make a moon lamp. Come on friends, let's get into the video. Materials you need. We need one balloon, Fevicol, some tissue paper, paint, water, paintbrush and one rubber band. Paint is optional. I will not use paint in this video because I am going to leave the moon lamp white in color. So to make the moon lamp, first blow a balloon and tie it with a rubber band. You could use thread if you want. Then take some water and pour some Fevicol into it. After pouring the Fevicol into the water, mix it with a paintbrush and apply that into the balloon after blowing the balloon. Cover a big area . And then open a tissue paper like this and then place it on the balloon. Leave just this part so that we can remove this rubber band. Then again take this and apply it on the tissue paper. And keep doing this until you cover the whole balloon and let it to dry. And again give a second coat of tissue papers. So now after you cover the whole balloon with tissue paper, you can let it to dry. I have used 10 tissues and given 2 to 3 layers. You can give more layers to make your balloon moon lamp thick and use more tissues. So now after 3 hours it has dried completely. Now let's open it. Just remove the rubber band and let the air flow out of the balloon. You could even burst the balloon, but I would just like to open it. Just hold the bottom like this so that it doesn't shrink. See, it's shrinking. Just let it out and hold this so that it will be easier. Just try to hold the balloon. There's no problem if this one shrinks. Just hold on and wait. And that's all. Now you would have something like this. Now take something like a screwdriver which would fit inside this mouth and then just open this up and make it to a spear shape. If you give more layers, it would be thick so that it would be hard for it to shrink. You can leave it from 2 to 3 days so that it can dry perfectly. And so that's all. You have a moon lamp. Now you have the moon made out of tissue paper. After you put the LED inside, it becomes a moon lamp. You can just take your LED light and let it inside like this to make this a lamp. So now, there you have it, the moon lamp. Hope you liked this video and you enjoyed making it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment to my channel Rishan's Origami. Thank you. Bye bye.